Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I'm your SST teacher. Today we will study lesson number 4, Clouds and Rain. In this lesson we will study part 2 about clouds. Dear students, what is cloud? A cloud is a large collection of very tiny droplets of water or ice crystals. The droplets are so small and light that they can float in the air. I am repeating this definition for better understanding. A cloud is a large collection of very tiny droplets of water or ice crystals. The droplets are so small and light that they can float in the air. How are clouds formed? All air contains water, but near the ground it is usually in the form of an invisible gas called water vapor. Types of clouds. There are so many types of clouds. Some names of clouds are feather clouds, fluffy clouds, dark rain clouds. What is feather clouds? Feather clouds is actually a cirrus cloud made from ice crystals that group together many kilometers above the Earth's surface when wind blows the ice particle into weird and wonderful shape. You can see these pictures. These are called feather clouds. Fluffy clouds. Fluffy clouds means no rain, but when they form into dark or grey clouds, it is going to rain. Dark rain clouds. It is also called nimbus clouds. It gets thicker and denser when it gathers more water droplets and ice crystal. As you can see in this picture, this is called dark rain clouds. Now student, come on the page number 19 of your social studies book. This is worksheet number 11. Take the right answers and mark the incorrect answer. These are 5 statements. I am reading it. Number 1 is when water is heated, it changes into water vapor. If this statement is right, take the correct. If this statement is wrong, take false. Number 2, water vapor is a solid. Number 3, when water vapors collect, clouds are formed. Number 4, heavy water vapors fall down as rain. Statement number 5 tells us it is warmer high up in the sky. Now students, come on the worksheet. This worksheet is attached. You can receive this worksheet from school canteen. In this worksheet, before filling this worksheet, you all students must read the lesson for 2 or 3 times. Can you tell what kind of clouds are these? You have to understand these pictures and recognize this picture. Then write the correct name of this cloud. I hope you understand about clouds in this lesson very well. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.